Hi, I like to improve 0.1% daily. So, for that purpose, I started reading non-fictional books on self-help, personal growth, personality development, negotiation skills, soft skills, and varieties of topics. And similar, I want to share with my subscribers, my audiences. So, if you too have a goal to improve yourself, to become more productive yourself, then you can join me in this journey and we will learn together. Along with that, on this channel, you will find some technology related videos like cloud computing and other technologies. So, I welcome you on the channel. I can mentor you. I have a long working experience in the training and in IT. So I can help you as much as I can. Happy learning and great year ahead. Thank you.